Welcome to our free YouTube Creator Training Library brought to you by the Senior Tuber community.
Now, the second tab is for advanced settings. Now, this is going to help you get out there to certain people. For instance, there's a lot of restrictions on children's channels. If your channel is not for children, then you want to go ahead and say that right here so that you don't have to go through any kind of review or anybody to check your channel. If you are a channel for children, then you want to click here. And if you don't know, some yes, some no, then you want to check that and you just have to respond every time you put up a new video if it is or is not for children. And then down here you have Google Ads account if you want to get paid for ads. At this point, if you're not a YouTube partner, you're not going to be making money on your YouTube account, but you could still make money at Google Ads. And you might want to check and link your account if this is pertinent for you. All right, so then you want to link, if you want this channel to be linked to any other channels, you can do that here. You can also put automatic captions in if you want to. I recommend that you do not. As of this time of this recording, I've been told that it's not as accurate as some of the other channel captions rather that are available out there. So for channels and for captions, actually. Now, do you have guidelines for anybody who puts anything inappropriate? If you do, then you could block anything potentially inappropriate, any words or any channels that there is a blocking capability. And if you're interested in being a YouTube partner and you want the ads to run on your channel, then it's important to whether you decide you want or don't want your advertisers to be in the same niche as you. So do I want somebody who works with other mature people? There's a good chance they're not doing exactly what I'm doing, but when they come there, they're probably going to bring me other people, or we might be able to be a joint venture of some sort. So I leave it that I want competition there. I want people to come to my channel. It may bring us both some business. But if you feel you don't want anybody to, then you definitely want to click disable. I don't want to tell you what you should do, but there's a feature on your YouTube channel where you could clip your own videos or somebody else's from somebody else's channel, depending on if they have this clicked. And what that is where you can go in and find a section of that video and you can clip, which you just highlight what you want. Maybe it's from 2 minutes to 3 minutes. It could be anywhere from 1 second to 60 seconds. And you could clip a piece that you find pertinent. And if you like that feature where you can do it, and I'll tell you what you can do with it in a second, then it would be important for you to click this and share those clips. Those clips will eventually get saved to your channel and you can take them down, but it will allow you to save those clips, share them with others, and other people will see some of your favorite clips. So where does that come in handy for you? Well, if you've been watching one of my videos and you see something really exciting, you don't want to send the whole video to somebody else, but you say, look where she discussed this. Then you can clip the up to 60-second clip and it comes with a link. And the link you can send to anybody. And when they get it, all they do is click on it and they're taken to the video, but they only see that 1-minute clip. If they want to watch the rest of the video, then they can see it. But they don't have to. They just could see the part that you thought was really important. So I always like to say this. I have a client who I snuck into his podcast one day. He saw me, and while he's talking, he goes, "Oh, there's Fran, my homegirl." And I had never been called a homegirl before, and I just took that with such a compliment. So I right away clipped it and posted it. I'm finally somebody's homegirl, and it was just something fun to share. So you can use it for fun. You could use it to share some important things for teaching. And you could do it from your channel or you can do it from somebody else's channel.
Thank you for watching our free YouTube Creator Training Library brought to you by the Senior Tuber community.